Come this way. Yeah. He'll get dispatched.
Right here.
What's the call?
And here. There's 3 celebrity chefs in Boston.
Sorry.
Is it an accident right down here?
I don't know.
No, I didn't hear it.
It's in the Sherrington.